If you're looking to create personalized forms for your clients in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to easily set up forms that can capture the exact information you need, saving you time and delivering a better experience for your clients. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some valuable alternatives that might be better suited for your needs, plus an exclusive free trial offer for you. First, let's dive into SuiteDash. The platform is designed for client management, and one of its standout features is the ability to create fully personalized forms. Whether you're collecting contact information, feedback, or even payments, SuiteDash lets you customize the forms to fit your exact needs. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your SuiteDash account and head over to the Forms section in your dashboard. If you've never used Forms in SuiteDash before, don't worry, it's simple. You'll see options to create either a new form or edit an existing one. Select Create New Form to get started. Next thing, once you're in the form editor, you can add a wide range of fields. This includes text fields, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and even file uploads. You can drag and drop these elements into your form. Make sure to label each field clearly so your clients know exactly what information you're looking for. You can also set up conditions, like making certain fields required or displaying specific questions based on previous answers. The third thing is customizing the design. This is where SuiteDash shines. You can change the look of your forms by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. This is great for keeping the branding consistent across all your client-facing documents. It's a simple way to make the form feel like a seamless extension of your business. The fourth thing, don't forget about the form's behavior after submission. SuiteDash allows you to configure automatic responses, whether it's a confirmation email to the client or a notification to your team. This way, you don't have to manually follow up each time a form is submitted, which is a huge time saver. Lastly, once your form is set up, you can embed it directly into emails, pages, or use a direct link to share it with clients. This level of customization and ease of use is one of the reasons SuiteDash is a top choice for many businesses. However, if your goal is to have more robust features for client engagement, such as advanced automation or better analytics, you may find some other tools more effective. While SuiteDash is solid for form creation, it can sometimes fall short on those fronts compared to other options. I'll dive deeper into some of these alternatives at the end. But before we get there, let me remind you that SuiteDash offers a pretty great set of features for client management overall. And with our exclusive link, you can access an extended free trial to explore all the features for yourself. That said, there are some other form builders that might serve your needs even better, especially if you're looking for something that's easier to integrate or offers better support for larger scale operations. Tools like Typeform, Jotform, and even Google Forms can often provide quicker setup, stronger integration options, and more user-friendly designs for complex forms. Now, if you're looking for something with more flexibility and better overall workflow automation, these alternatives may be what you're after. They also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available for SuiteDash, along with exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. And remember, we've also added those amazing alternatives for you to check out, all with their own free trials, so you can make the best decision for your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating those personalized forms.